To draw a short hairstyle on a man, start by defining the hair's proportions like this. Note that its thickness should correspond to the size of the character's head. Add a line here to mark the direction of the hair. Erase any unnecessary lines. Now, draw the part, which will determine the direction of the hair. The hair on the side of the head will face the same direction, but we're going to leave the line for now. Draw the hair strands like this. You'll notice that the strands toward the back of the head are facing a different direction. The hair near the neck also faces a different direction. Use this technique to add the contrasts. Shade the sides, but be sure to leave the top blank. Finalize your drawing by enhancing the contrasts like this.